Hey friends, hello, welcome all. Welcome to the series of Java 8 videos. In continuation of the last video related to local date API, I've taken this next video also related to local date time APIs. So let's go for it. Let's see one by one how we can explore it. So as you can see in front of the screen, uh, I've taken local date. And so this we will see how what different aspects we can do in the date related to means the chrono field, means how we can take the duration of current time, max time, and how we can format it, ultimately how we can get operation done. So as you can see in the local date, I've taken a date as you know in the format of year, that is current is 2022, followed by month, by day of the month, and I've extracted that field in the ChronoField, and see that these are the static values. Here, if you go over here, it will give static as year. So these static values can be printed. So basically, I wanted to know what is the year, what is the month of the year, what is the day of the month. So with that, I've printed all these values. So that can be say the after we compile the console. Followed by that, what I've done, I just so what if I want to get the current time? See, current time very simple API class I use, that is local time, local time dot now. It is also similar to local date. So local date is a class. In analogous to that, we have local time. In that local time, when we give the function called local time dot now, it will give the current time that is currently present as per the system, that is as per your Windows system or desktop system, and followed by that we have max. What is max? So max, what will learn, it will consider 24 hours time format, that it will print what would be the maximum time, and after that I have formatted. Now this is the class that is important, this format style, as you some format the particular time in a specific format. So for that we have these classes. So article format style as short. So in build we have full, long, medium, short. You can use it according to your need. So for time being, I have used short because as you can see, as I can hover the mouse, it will give you the sample uh, date time output. So I wanted to be in the short format, so taken precisely as short. Followed by that, I have printed the dates, followed with the current date, followed by the maximum date. That I have taken the local date time, and here importance is that I have taken class as local date time. So previously I was seeing local date, that was a class, and currently we just saw local time, that was also a class. So there is a combination of both local date and time, that is local date time. So using local date time, the important thing is that we can perform operation on both local date and local time combined. So so as you can see in the comment, combining date and time. So local chrono date. What is the local chrono date? Is the date that we taken this, that is 20th September 2022 in the format of YYYMMED. So that date we have taken, and so we have taken the max local time, that is the maximum what we will take, and followed by that I have taken operation in two local date and two local time. So what does two local date? This considers local date with the same year, month, and date as in the date time. Means the same month, date, and year that is given in the date time will represent the same. To local date, it converts the date to what are the specific local date is that is to local date that is done. So just taken the instances and I just converted it to local date and to local time. For all of that, we have local date time, and yeah, here I've taken an instance. Note, uh, precisely I've taken a remarkable date that would be is being Independence Day of India. That is 1947. Taken the month also August, and followed by the time of 1715. So how you come to know that this is the format? So for that, when you hover this, so first it takes the year, followed by the month, and followed by the precise time, and finally we can print this local date time. So for again the conversion of two local date I've done here. So converted the about this date into the two local date, and to get the timing also of that specific format, I've converted it to two local. So now the anxiety arises that what console output will be printed. So let's see what it prints. See, in the chrono data output, year is taken as 2022, correct? By the month, it is 9, is September month, and the date, that is 20. This was the first output that we needed to see in front of the screen. Followed by that, we have the local time, is 5:39 p.m. and the max local time 11:59 p.m. That is the current local time that we are recording the bill, which is taking the video that is precisely 5:39. The maximum local time of the 24, it is now converted to in 24 to 12 hour format. So in format of AM PM, it is giving us PM, AM 59 PM. And after that, it printed the value of that date that we taken, converted to 9:20, followed by the time. So now see here the time is in this format, this long format. So for that only I have taken the format style as short, in which is the time in this format. So if you want to again format it, you can use the short or any kind of format style, format this specific times. So this video was all regarding the combination of local date time and also the usage of local time as well in the Java 8, and the date time API. So do keep liking, subscribing, #any more to come on you in the Java 8 series and date time API. Bye for now.